So I polled professional auto detailers here on YouTube, as well as Reddit, Facebook, and Twitter, to find out what the best vacuum for auto detailing was according to the pros. To my surprise, 58% of the auto detailers we polled mentioned the same vacuum, and they made some interesting points. I'll put links in the description to everything I mentioned here, and let's get started. So the landslide winner was the Ridgid brand shop vac with the important addition of the Ridgid auto detailing kit, which is sold separately. It's apparently a crucial add-on for auto detailers, mainly because of its sturdy pro-grade 10-foot hose and a detailing attachment set with some particular praise for the flexible crevice tool. There was some debate as to if the 4-gallon version, which was recommended a lot, was as good as the 14-gallon version, because the 14-gallon version has a 6 horsepower motor, which many people said was better than the 5 horsepower motor of the 4-gallon. The downside, of course, is that the 14-gallon version isn't as portable. For clarification, I should say that no one was unhappy with their 4-gallon, 5 horsepower Ridgid. It was mainly that those that had the 6 horsepower version really raved about it. One person mentioned that there is a compromise in the Ridgid VAC 4010, which is a 4-gallon version with a 6 horsepower motor that can also double as a leaf blower for drying cars before vacuuming them. The downside there is that it's more expensive, and though it comes with a lot of attachments, it doesn't include the claw nozzle, flexible crevice tool, or dusting brushes, though of course you could buy the detailing kit separately if you wanted. Here are some of the other vacuums that were mentioned in the poll. Detail Groove on YouTube said that the one that works for him is the Metro Vac and Blow series. The Metro vacuums are American made with all metal construction and are generally really highly regarded. It's a 4 horsepower vacuum, and the upside is that it's by far the most portable option. The downsides are that it's much more expensive and that it's only a dry vacuum. No water should be picked up with the Metro Vacs. Apex Detail here on YouTube said that they loved their Porter Cable shop vac. An upside to this vacuum is that it's a bit cheaper than the Ridgid vacuums. It comes with an 8-foot hose, but not too many attachments. Pristine Auto Detailing voted for the Shop Vac brand 8-gallon 6 horsepower vacuum, saying, "We've been using the standard 8-gallon shop vacuum for years. It has plenty of suction, bags and filters are pretty much available everywhere. I like for it to be able to roll around easily, and the stainless steel holds up well. I'm sure I could find a better vacuum, but for the price you can't go wrong with a standard shop vac." Forensic Detailing Channel here on YouTube said that for auto detailers in the UK, his pick was the Titan 350 VAC. They said that the pluses for the Titan was that they were very affordable and particularly sturdy. The downside being that the hose isn't great, but they mentioned that you can mod it with the hose and attachments from the pneumatic Henry vacuums. Alright, so it looks like according to the pros, the best vacuum for auto detailing, at least for mid-2018, is the Ridgid Wet Dry series with the detailing kit, with a preference for the 6 horsepower version, but users of the cheaper 5 horsepower versions had no complaints. Detailed links in the description for current prices and reviews, as well as links to the YouTube channels that helped out. Consider a like or subscription to Vacuum Wars, and thanks for watching.